So you're shopping for headlights and now you're faced with the option, LHD or RHD. What do they even mean? What do you get? In this video, I'm going to show you the difference between LHD and RHD and tell you what you need when you're ordering headlights for your car. LHD, left-hand drive. The steering wheel is on the left side of the vehicle. RHD, the steering wheel is on the right side of the vehicle. Now when it comes to shopping for headlights, you need the right headlight with the right beam pattern so you don't blind oncoming traffic. In America, I drive on the right side of the road. My car is left-hand drive because my steering wheel is on the left side. The traffic is coming from the left side right past me, flying by. We don't want to blind them, so we're going to choose the headlight with left-hand drive. All right, so I have the left-hand drive headlight on the table. It's 25 feet from the wall here, as you can see. On the right side, it's higher because as you're driving on the right side of the road, you want as much light out there as possible. On the left side, you have the oncoming traffic. That is intentional. If this side is lower, as your cars come on by, you're not blinding them in traffic. I know this seems really basic, but a lot of people get it wrong, and that's okay. I'm gonna go over there, I'm gonna hook up the right-hand drive headlight. I'm gonna come back over here and show you what that does. While I'm over here, let me show you the headlights we're going to use. These are the Morimoto XB headlights for the 370Z. They're a really popular product and they have an incredible beam pattern. That cutoff line is due to these great internals. They have really good projectors on the inside, so I can really show you the difference between left-hand and right-hand drive. These two right here, this one is right-hand drive, this is left-hand drive. You need to know they're exactly the same besides the beam pattern. So make sure you get the right one. All right, now I've got the right-hand drive headlight set up. Remember, it's the same Morimoto XB headlight for the 370Z, just in right-hand drive. On the left side now is where you'd be driving if you ordered right-hand drive. That's why this step is higher, because you want the most light possible where you're driving. You're not driving on the right side of the road. On the right side of the road, you have cars coming, flying by you. That's why the step is lower, because you do not want to blind them. Guys, at TRS, we don't want to blind people, and that's why we try to teach you every single day. So if you want headlights just like these that were designed to have a cutoff so you're not blinding other people, designed for either the left or the right side of the road, you can go to the retrofitsource.com. We have tons of stuff there, projectors, LED bulbs, anything you can think of we have on our website. Also, I wish you guys can like and subscribe to the video so we can keep making stuff like this to make your lighting experience much better.